Greetings from Svetilnik beach in Izola, Lighthouse Beach. This is how it looks like on 14th October 2025 at 3:30 p.m. It is beautiful and rather some people around the beach here you can find. And this is the lighthouse. Small but I guess convenient. And it is, I think this is the northernmost point of Izola as well. In the distance we can see Koper, which is my final destination for today, and I'm heading to actually later to catch a bus towards Trieste. And now a cargo ship has just sailed away from Koper, and I'm not sure where it's going, but it's going to be amazing. Yeah, so let's then show you more from this wonderful beach that is Pebble actually. And they have built some ramps here in order to be easier to get into the water, and there is even a pier and an even a small pebble beach on the other end, which was rather crowded, so I decided to go for this. So yeah, yet another beach adventure with Chris from Slovenia, from Izola, whole new city on the Slovenian Riviera. And yeah, it has been a blast so far, and the beach adventures are not over yet, as I'm still have 4 more hours to explore Slovenia. And this is the 4th beach adventure for today. Now here, there is nobody over here at this end, so I'm going to go in here and take a swim. And yeah, I was walking around the coast here in the city, and it's quite interesting indeed. And this is the lighthouse, obviously. So Izola maybe is not as pretty as Piran, but it's closer to Koper for the people that are coming by cruise and want to explore. Yes, Koper is a cruise city for sure. And now let's go in for a swim. And see how the sea it is over here. Okay, I can see one other entry into the sea on the other side. So I'm going to go there to show you more around the beach. Yes, this is Izola, Lighthouse Beach. It looks amazing. Okay, let's then go into the sea from here. I think I have stumbled upon some thorn, so I need to take it out. All right, nice, beautiful sea. And yeah, the beach adventures with Chris continue. You know what? I'm gonna go on the other end because it's closer to my stuff, which I want to have a closer look on them. And enjoy a swim closer to the sun as well. Yes, so I'm in Izola, completely new city as I mentioned, and we'll be from here. It is around 6 kilometers to Koper, so I'm still with a good marginal, but I also want to swim as well here for 10 minutes and on 2 more places, but the sunset will be in around 3 hours, so I think I have time to do so. All right, let's then hit the waters that are super clear despite all the ferries that go to Koper. And I can see the Moon Bay, Message Zaliv, where I took swim earlier today, and I was walking all around the coast. It looks so long, but Not that much actually. Now I think I'm halfway through my journey, my walking journey to Koper, and now I was around 20,000 steps so far. And I think I'm gonna hit today 40,000 total, but let's see. Okay, so Izola beach adventure from Lighthouse Beach. Ready, set, and go! Woohoo! Amazing. What a beautiful autumn day that looks like summer for sure. Beach adventures with Chris in Izola, and it's a nice beach. Now, okay, that looked like a moon over there, but it was just that. It's not the moon. And yeah, I was passing by also the marina or the port here in Izola that they have. And yeah, now it's time for me to enjoy with a swim. So thank you so much for watching this episode from Izola, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.